Complacency is not an adjective that anybody would associate with Google. The company recently moved into the social networking space. It's looking at possibly running fiber to the individuals' homes, dabbling with wireless technology, and looking at a number of different other types of market opportunities. Who knows what else they might be thinking about in those labs at Google? Perhaps the company thinks that it could do a better job of delivering things like home networking services to consumers. Maybe it would like to get into the HD TV business and start doing some things with YouTube and the like. The question is not so much what the company is looking at as far as its additional market opportunities, but more importantly, why is the company so fervently or so feverishly trying to expand its existing base? The answer is it really doesn't have any choice. Google has been a runaway success, growing from a startup company to a $23, $24 billion operation in the span of about 10 years. Unprecedented success in a lot of different ways. But unfortunately on Wall Street, they're not really too concerned about what happened in the past. They will expect the company to maintain that significant growth going forward. As you get to be a $23, $24 billion corporation, you have to try to seek out revenue opportunities that are pretty big. And the company seems to be doing that. Long term, what sort of impact will this diversification of Google have on the firm? That is an interesting question. The reality is very few firms, or very few companies, have been able to maintain such significant growth for a long period of time. In fact, most companies peak out about the $10 billion mark, so Google's doing better than most. But longer term, it seems apparent that the company is going to continue to evolve, and it will probably look somewhat like it looks today, but it will be different in many ways. Whether or not those differences are going to be positive or negative for the company, its shareholders, and people in the internet industry is a chapter that will be written as we move forward.